Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information this week. Today we're talking about the 3 easiest ranges to use out of the ones out that I found. Now, first of all, we're going to go with this one right here. See, the nice thing about this is there are very few buttons to actually mess with, and the nice thing is this will tell you which burner it goes to. Okay, real basic and easy, real nice thing. It's a little complicated, not a little complicated, but you go right for double, you go left for single. Okay, the rest of these are single burners, but basically, see, you can go that way. Got your double, got your single, tells you where it is. The next easiest would be this one here, which is the Whirlpool. It's basically the same thing. I have very little options up here to use. It's basically you hit bake, you go up and down on your temperature, you hit start, boom, you're done. These a little bit harder to read, but you can tell which ones they are down here because they all have the, you know, basic little touchpads. Next one is over here is the GE. Okay, I like this one because it's gas, and gas is actually quite easy. Okay, now like I said, this one I like about this easy is they are labeled really nicely for you, so you know which one you're doing. So you're not just going which is which. It tells you. And once again here, like I said, real basic, not a whole lot of options, real quick, real easy. I want to go bake, I want to go broil, you know, real quick, real easy. So these are my 3 favorite, easiest to use ranges, which are, like I said, the Frigidaire, the Whirlpool, and then the GE. Okay? Well, you folks come back next week for more information, and we will have a good night. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll be safe out there.